Assalamualaikum, nama saya Safinatun Najah. Untuk membuat diskusi bahasa Inggris di sesi 6 ini bagian 1, dialog transportasi lokal dan pemberian petunjuk arah. Okay, I started. Excuse me, how can I get the Layar Mat Praya? Of course, go straight from here, then there will be a T-junction. Continue straight until you find a red light intersection. Then turn right and keep going straight until you find a row of shops where there is a big sign saying Lion Mart, and stop there. Thank you. Is there a bus or public transportation that I can take? Yes, there is. Just wait on the side of the road. There are lots of people passing by. Later you will be a period of right to go somewhere. How long is the journey to get there? Approximately 25 minutes. Okay, thank you for showing me the way there. You're welcome. Thank you for listening to the local transportation dialogue and direction. Bye. Kasih.